We are live. Market updates. The market is dumping today. Where are we heading in the coming days and in the coming weeks? It's interesting to see. We always hear sell in May and go away. But right now, it looks as if sell in May and go away is going to be the thing. As right now, the crypto market looks as if we might be dumping further down to Goblin Town. If you're new to this channel, welcome. First, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research, study, and analysis before making any investment decision. That was said by a very smart person, Benjamin Franklin. Bitcoin is trading around $28,000. Are we going to see Bitcoin finally dumping to Goblin Town? Are we going to see Bitcoin finally giving us that push towards $25,000 that we've been talking about for weeks right now? Because Bitcoin has traded to as high as $31,000 in the month of April 2023. But guys, that's as high as Bitcoin has gotten. In 2023, Bitcoin started the year pumping from as low as $16,000. So Bitcoin has gotten a significant pump to the upside. Bitcoin has gone from as low as $16,500 on the 1st of January 2023. Bitcoin has gotten to as high as $31,000, giving us an 87% pump to the upside in around 104 days. But guys, you don't expect Bitcoin to continue pumping to higher prices forever. At some point in time, you expect to see Bitcoin dumping to Goblin Town. That's the way the market works. Even though on a larger time frame, we might be going to higher prices, we will see some pullbacks along the way. And I was just watching the charts yesterday and I discovered the guys. Since when we started the year, Bitcoin has only given us like 1 month of pump. The rest of it has been distribution. The rest of it has been dumped to Goblin Town. We have seen Bitcoin pump from the 31st of December 2022. We've seen Bitcoin rally quickly to higher prices. And by the end of January, Bitcoin was done pumping. That was the first pump we saw in the year for Bitcoin. The second pump started on the 10th of March 2023. We saw Bitcoin rallying to higher prices. And when we got to April, that rally was over. If you look at it that way, Bitcoin has only pumped first around 29 days, let's say 1 month, 48% to the upside. Bitcoin also gave us another pump to the upside, this time around 35 days, and Bitcoin went up by around 57%. No doubt I still see Bitcoin getting to as high as $40,000 maybe at some point in time before the end of the year. But right now, Bitcoin is showing signs of us dumping further down to Goblin Town as Bitcoin is dumping towards $28,000, guys. If we lose $16,500, the last time we saw Bitcoin trading around $26,500 was on the 27th of March 2023. If we lose this level, then Bitcoin might be heading back to as low as $25,000 in the coming days and in the coming weeks. Drop your thoughts in the comment section, guys. Where do you see the market heading to? Which altcoins do you think is going to have the biggest bounce to the upside when we start bouncing? Or somebody drop a comment in the comment section. Is meme season over? Guys, I think meme season is over at this point in time. Anytime we see meme coins pumping to the upside in the past, that's always been a good sign that we're getting ready to dump to Goblin Town. In the coming days and in the coming weeks, only time will tell how low these altcoins can pump. Let's take a look at one altcoin that has been the rave of the town. That's Pepe. Pepe is one of those altcoins that made a lot of millionaires in the last few weeks. We've seen a lot of people turning $1,000 to as high as $1 million. Some people even turn less than that into bigger sums. But guys, anything that goes up very quickly always has a big chance of dumping to Goblin Town very quickly. And right now, the top might be in for Pepe. That might not be what a lot of people would like to hear. It doesn't mean Pepe will not pump to higher prices at some point in time in future, but a lot of people are buying it right now, expecting those big pumps to the upside. We have seen Pepe from the 21st of April 2023. We have seen Pepe even rally up 2,600%. $1,000 invested in Pepe on the 21st of April 2023 will have returned over $26,000. We can't keep pumping to the moon forever. At some point in time, people will start dumping to Goblin Town. And from the all-time high Pepe got to on the 5th of May 2023, Pepe is already down 49%. If we're going to continue dumping to Goblin Town, guys, people that bought the top are going to be seeing more losses. In the short term, we might easily see us dropping back to support. But remember what happened in 2021, guys. In 2021, we saw the altcoin market dumping to gobbling town. Let's take a look at what the altcoin market was doing in 2021. I've seen this thing happen numerous times. We'll see the market pumping, altcoins, Shiba Inu, all of them are going to higher prices. That was in May of 2021. After that dump started happening, see what the altcoin market did. In the next 12 days, we saw a 58% dump in the whole market. So let's not be shocked to see another dump again. Even in May of 2022, we also saw a dump in the altcoin market. From May of 2022, a big fat red candle came to the upside. We saw a 43% dump in around 9 days. And that's why I've been telling you guys, we might easily see a dump to gobbling town. And I'm not expecting it to be crazy. I'm not expecting an outrageous dump towards gobbling town, but we're in May again. And the old saying, sell in May and go away, might just be coming to play again. If we see the market dumping by around 11%, we'll head back to around the $325 billion level for the altcoin market. A new update is going to be dropping today for the portfolio. Our portfolio is up to around $148,000. Some altcoins in the portfolio are dumping to gobbling town. But guys, we still have over $65,000 in the portfolio. We have $65,000 worth of stable coins that we'll be using to purchase more altcoins in the coming days and in the coming weeks. Let me go back to the charts. Good morning from Melbourne, Australia, Mr. C. Shout out to you. Good morning to you too. And Lily V says meme season over. Okay, I just answered that question. Yes, I think meme season is over, even though some meme coins might still be pumping to higher prices. But guys, we're playing the game of token versus dollars right here. If you are giving somebody your money for him to give you a meme token, ask yourself, how will you make profit from that meme token? Are you intending to sell it at a higher price? Who is going to buy that token from you at a higher price? Only time we tell if we are going to see this dump continue, but the market is telling us on a daily time frame we are dumping to gobbling town on a weekly time frame. The only coin that is in profit is Pepe. Pepe is still up 115% in the last 1 week. Okay, Hex is in profit and 18% profit, but on a monthly time frame, a lot of these altcoins are giving back their gains which have made since the turn of the year. We saw a lot of altcoins pumping to higher prices. Ethereum, the king of altcoins in the market, is sitting around $1,852. And guys, if we see Bitcoin losing $28,000, if we see the market dumping further down to gobbling town, let's not be shocked to see Ethereum coming to as low as $1,600. I'll be dropping an Ethereum video later in the day. If Ethereum loses $1,688, we might easily dump to as low as $1,400. That was Ethereum previous all-time high in 2018. Yeah. Now, we saw Bitcoin dumping to lower prices, guys, in this bear market. Bitcoin has gotten to as low as $15,500, but that happened in November of 2022. Ethereum got to as low as $800 in June of 2022. When Bitcoin was going to as low as $15,000, we saw Ethereum holding that $1,000 level. Now, that was good to see, but we're the portion of the bear market where I believe we'll see capital flowing back into the Bitcoin market. We're taking a look at Bitcoin dominance next. And if we see capital flowing into the Bitcoin market, we might see Ethereum bleeding harder than Bitcoin if we see a dump to gobbling town. Now, worst case scenario in the second half of the bear market, because I believe we have done the hardest part of the bear market, which was dumping from as high as $4,800 to as low as $800. Ethereum had a wild ride in this bear market. Yes, we have done that dump to gobbling town, but at some point in time in this bear market, I just believe we'll get to this lower end of the band. We might see Ethereum go to as low as $1,000, maybe even trade for as low as $877. We might not see Bitcoin setting new lows. We might see Bitcoin finally holding its own against all coins. The better half of this bear market, in this period, we saw Ethereum pumping to higher prices. We saw Bitcoin actually holding its own. Ethereum is bleeding. Other altcoins are bleeding. If you take a look at Bitcoin dominance in the market, currently sitting around 48%. Bitcoin dominance has been stuck below 50% for a very long time. The last time we saw Bitcoin dominance at the 50% region was in April of 2021. What was happening in April of 2021? Alt season, all coins were pumping to higher prices. Everything was good. Everything was dandy. Everybody was planning to become a billionaire using cryptocurrencies. But since then, Bitcoin dominance in the market has been fluctuating, but we're finally breaking above this range. An argument can be made that Bitcoin dominance might still dump yet again. But guys, if we see Bitcoin increasing to higher prices, If we see the altcoin market not pumping as hard as Bitcoin dominance can increase. Another reason why Bitcoin dominance can increase in the coming days and in the coming weeks is if we see the market dumping to gobbling town, and we see Bitcoin actually not dumping as hard as the rest of the market, because when the market is dumping, Bitcoin will dump 10%. The rest of the market can easily dump 20 or 30%. In the last 24 hours, Bitcoin is down 3.6%. A lot of altcoins are down 10%, 5%, 8%. So Bitcoin dominance might be increasing, and that might be bad for altcoins, but on the long term, that will be good news, because every time we have seen alt season in the past, Bitcoin dominance went to a very high value, and then it started dumping to gobbling town, and that capital was quietly flowing into the altcoin market. Now, this altcoin season index tells us when it's always a good time to buy altcoins, when we're going to see altcoins pumping to higher prices. A lot of times, the altcoin market is where you want to see those big gains to the upside. In the last 1 week, we have seen the wonders of altcoins. We saw Pepe pumping to higher prices. A lot of people are still stalking Pepe. Be careful out there, guys. Mr. C, okay, said be careful with Pepe coin. He's very right. Pepe coin might be a meme coin. A lot of people might have gotten rich trading Pepe in the last few days, but remember, if you are not among the early people to get into it right now, you might probably be just somebody's exit liquidity. There's still going to be a lot of opportunities in the crypto market. That's why you always want to have some capital on the side. Yes, you might have missed Pepe, but there's always going to be another Pepe, the same way we saw Shiba Inu, the same way we saw Dogecoin, the same way we have seen Pepe, and so many other altcoins. There will always be coins pumping to higher prices, and Pepe itself might actually pump to higher prices. Guys, Pepe has a market cap of around $899 million. If the market dumps and the market cap maybe gets to like $200 million, I'll not be shocked if I'll see myself adding some Pepe to our model portfolio. Right now, we still have around $65,000 in the portfolio. So maybe we'll buy $5,000 worth of Pepe, but I still believe we're in the greed phase of Pepe where people are buying it because they just believe the price will be going up forever. You can drop your thoughts in the live chat. If you have any altcoins you want us to check, you can drop it in live chat at the end of the stream. We'll be taking a look at some dedicated altcoins. Pepe is pumping to higher prices. Where do you guys see Pepe getting to in the coming days and in the coming weeks? Take a look at the RSI for Pepe right here. We saw it getting to the overbought region on the 1st of May 2023. Right now, we are seeing that momentum is slowing down. So let's not be shocked to see one final pump of Pepe before we start seeing it dump to gobbling town. Remember, guys, investing in cryptocurrency is very risky. Those gains you are chasing can easily turn to huge losses very quickly. Meme coin season might not be over. In my own humble opinion, I still believe it's over. I believe we have not seen the altcoin market pumping. Take a look at the general market in the last 1 week. Just Pepe and Hex are in positive. If you go on the monthly time frame, a lot of altcoins are giving back their gains. So except Pepe is going to be the next Bitcoin, let's not be expecting crazy things from that altcoin. Now, take a look at the altcoin season index. The altcoin season index tells us when is a good time to be accumulating altcoins. And right now, it's telling us we're in Bitcoin season. In the past, Bitcoin season have always been good times to accumulate altcoins. Take a look at last time we had a major Bitcoin season, September of 2019. That was the optimal time to flip all your Bitcoin into Ethereum, because Ethereum ended up outperforming Bitcoin in the next bull run. And if you go back in time, we also saw this indication telling us in September of 2018 to accumulate altcoins. But you don't have to go all in if you're accumulating altcoins. The altcoin season index, even though it's telling you to accumulate altcoins, we can stay in this region for a very long time. If you want to be very accurate, you have to go on the monthly time frame, where to show you when to perfectly accumulate altcoins on the monthly time frame. And right now it's telling us capital is still in the Bitcoin market. Bitcoin is still holding on strong. Even though some altcoins are pumping to higher prices, Bitcoin in this time is the time you want to see holding strong, because if Bitcoin is pumping to higher prices, eventually all our altcoins will see huge gains in the future. Let's take a look at the altcoin market. The altcoin market sits around $369 billion, guys. We've seen the altcoin market get to as high as $407 billion. We have not been able to rally above this $407 billion level since when we went below it in August of 2022. And what is funny is that the altcoin season index, the last time it told us we are in an alt season, guess what? In August of 2022. So I've not seen any alt season in the altcoin market since August of 2022. August of 2022 was the last time we saw the altcoin season index heavily in an altcoin month. And in the coming days and the coming weeks, if the altcoin market starts dumping to gobbling town, this $322 billion level marked here is going to be a critical level for us. As we're pumping to higher prices, I thought we could easily get to as high as $450 billion, but we got rejected yet again at the $407 billion region. That $407 billion region, we got there in April. That was when Bitcoin got to as high as $31,000. We saw Ethereum getting to as high as $2,100. Then Pepe was launched then. Pepe has been pumping to higher prices, but you see the altcoin market dumping to lower prices. And a lot of people have some conspiracy theories saying Pepe was launched to drain liquidity out of the market. Pepe just looked too organized to just be a random meme coin that was launched. Let's take a look at the tokenomics for Pepe. Currently, Pepe has a circulating supply of around 391 trillion tokens. And guys, the maximum supply for Pepe is around 420 trillion tokens, 690 billion. It has a market cap of $893 million. 24-hour trading volume more than the market cap. A lot of people are trading Pepe right now. Guys, be careful out there. Meme coins can make you very, very rich. At the same time, they can make you very, very poor. Let's take a look at what the developers had to say about Pepe. Pepe is a differentially meme coin launched on Ethereum. Gas fees are going to be crazy right now. Is it worth it buying $200 worth of Pepe and spending around $100 worth of gas fees? I don't know. The cryptocurrency was created as a tribute to Pepe the Frog, internet meme created by Mark Fury, which gained popularity in the early 2000s. Who are the founders of Pepe? Pepe removed. Anytime you say a meme coin, founders remain anonymous, guys. These things coordinated. Somebody somewhere created this stuff. Yes, it's going to go to higher prices eventually in the future. There's no guarantees that it's going to do that, but be careful out there, meme tokens. The crypto unicorn index is telling us we just have we have 48 billion projects out. What am I saying? The crypto unicorn index is telling us we have 48 projects with a market cap of over $1 billion. At the height of this pump, we had around 56 projects with a market cap of over $1 billion. And there's still greed in the cryptocurrency market. The fear and greed index is telling us there's still greed in the cryptocurrency market. We are seeing greed in the market since the turn of the year. We started 2023 on a very bright note, luckily for us. Bitcoin has been pumping for the better half of 2023. At some point in time, the market is going to head back to fear. That's where us will be accumulating on this channel. We'll be going hard on our altcoins purchase. We'll be dropping a update on the portfolio update. Dropping portfolio update today. Altcoins have been dumping to gobbling town. Our portfolio is seeing huge dumps. The last 24 hours, over $4,000 have left the portfolio. In the coming days and the coming weeks, we'll be aping back into some altcoins. Take a look at what the crypto fear and greed index has been doing since May of 2022. It just shows you how confidence in the market has been increasing since May of 2022. May of 2022, when we saw a lot of altcoins dumping aggressively to gobbling town, the market was in extreme fear. Over time, we saw the market heading back towards greed in August. Then we head back to fear, and after 2023 on a very bright note, we have been stuck in greed. We only had like 2 or 3 days where we went back to fear. That was in March of 2022 and 2023 when Bitcoin went to as low as $19,000. Let's take a look at when that happened. We saw Ethereum getting to as low as $1,400, and in March of 2023, Bitcoin got to as low as $19,000. Right now, Bitcoin has gone below $28,000, guys. The market is currently dumping to gobbling town. Where are we heading to? How low do you think we're going to dump? I don't think we're going to dump that low. I think we're going to see a short-term pump. A lot of people are getting liquidated. Be careful out there. Let's take a look at liquidation data. This Bitcoin on the hourly time frame. Hopefully, Bitcoin will hold that $27,600 support. Take a look at the RSI. The RSI is at the lower end. I'll not be shocked to see Bitcoin have temporary relief, maybe towards $28,000. It can happen very, very quickly, guys. As Bitcoin is dumping right now, you know, the market is very volatile. Liquidation data is telling us in the last 4 hours, more than $18 million have been liquidated from traders in the last 24 hours, more than $144 million. And a lot of people getting liquidated are people that were long. More than 91% on almost all exchanges have been people longing the market, thinking we're going to higher prices. Are we going to see those higher prices? Only time will tell. In the last 24 hours also, a lot of people have been betting that the market will be going to higher prices, and we are dumping to gobbling town. Bitcoin has accounted for more than $29 million of those liquidations. Ethereum, $27 million. And Pepe, the trending meme coin, has accounted for more than $7 million worth of liquidations. Over 62,000 traders have been liquidated, and the largest liquidation happened on BigMix, and that was a $4.2 million liquidation. This trader was trying to trade Ethereum and got liquidated. The market is dumping to gobbling town on a daily time frame. Pepe is down 13%. Bitcoin in the last 24 hours has gone down by 3.4%. Guys, are we dumping to gobbling town? Are we going to see $25,000 Bitcoin before the end of May? On the long term, I still see Bitcoin getting to as high as $40,000 before the end of this year. But right now, we are due a correction. We have been pumping, and we're still deep in the bear market. So I was just expecting some dump to gobbling town, and here we are. It looks as if Bitcoin might be having that dump finally to gobbling town. Let's take a look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. In the last 24 hours, Bitcoin is still the king of the market. Bitcoin is down around 3.47%. Ethereum, the king of all coins in the market, is also down in the last 24 hours. Other top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization had big 24-hour losses. Matic is down 5%, Solana around 4%, and Dogecoin 3%, Cardano 3%. XRP is the biggest loser. XRP is down 5% in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin is still outperforming a lot of coins in the top 10. Bitcoin in the last 60 days is still up 29%. Ethereum is the closest to Bitcoin. Ethereum is up 20% in the last 60 days. If we go back 90 days, Bitcoin is up 22%. Ethereum is up 13%. Only XRP is holding on strong in the last 90 days. If not, other top 10 cryptocurrencies, Polygon Matic down 23%, Dogecoin down 18%. We even have Solana down 9% in the last 90 days. Let's take a look at some altcoins in the market. Guys, let's take a look at Near and Cardano. Somebody requested for Near and Cardano. Let's take a look at what Near is doing. Near is an altcoin. It has been pumping to higher prices in the bull market, but right now in its first full crypto bear market, Near is dumping to gobbling town. If you want any altcoin review, you can drop on that altcoin in the live chat. We'll be talking about those altcoins very quickly. Near right now is losing support around the $1.6 region. Near got to as low as $1.6 on the 10th of March 2023. And right now, Near is currently trading at that level. That $1.6 level is a very critical level for Near. Hopefully, it will find support there and have a bounce. You can see the RSI is at the lower end. Last time the RSI was at this region was in March of 2023. If Near doesn't hold the support level, guys, we might see Near continue dumping to gobbling town, and we might head back to where we started the year. Near was trading around the $1.2 level, starting the year on that level. So if you see Near breaking support, which I think is already doing right now, the $1.6 level to the $1.2 level will be a level you hope to see Near find support. If not, we might easily dump to new lows in this bear market. But we have done majority of the dump we'll do. I believe we are closer to the bottom than we are to the top. Near has gone from as high as $19, even getting to as high as $20 on the 13th of January 2022. We have seen Near dump 93% in this bear market. That's normal for all coins. They normally dump aggressively to gobbling town, but they somehow find a way to recover to pump to higher prices. Now let's take a look at Cardano ADA. This is another altcoin that can show you the wonders of altcoins, how wonderful altcoins can pump to higher prices. Now take a look at what Cardano ADA did in the previous bull run that happened in 2017. We saw Cardano ADA rallying up, guys, in just 92 days. $1,000 invested in Cardano ADA would have returned over $73,000. That was the bull market, so everything was up only. But what Cardano ADA did in the bear market well surprised a lot of investors. We saw Cardano ADA going from as high as $1.3. He had an aggressive dump to gobbling town of around 97%. When it was down around 95% from its all-time high, a lot of people thought the bottom was in. But what happened? We continue seeing it dumping to gobbling town. Eventually, A 97% dump to Goblin Town was what was required for it in that bear market. At that point, a lot of people didn't invest. A lot of people thought Cardano ADA will never rise again. And that's why you want to pay attention to all coins in the bear market. Because what happened next was crazy. We saw Cardano ADA rallying from the $0.02 level, giving us more than 100x pump to the upside. Guys, if you want to get those 100x pump to the upside, anytime you see all coins dumping to Goblin Town, you will be happy because you have the opportunity to scoop them at lower prices. So I still believe we'll see other altcoins pumping to higher prices. Cardano ADA right now is trading around the $0.36 level, which is still holding on very, very strong in this bear market. But key levels to watch out for Cardano ADA: if we start going below the $0.3 region, if we start going to new lows, going to as low as the $0.23 region, we'll be accumulating more in our portfolio. Which other altcoin should we check? Dent is in Goblin Town. Yes, Dent is another coin I've been checking for the long haul. Yeah, let's take a look at Dent. Now, Dent used to have big pumps to the upside. When Dent is having pumps to the upside, those pumps can be very crazy. The only downside to Dent is that when it's having dumps to the downside, those dumps can also be very crazy. Take a look at what Dent did in his first crypto bull run. Dent, $1,000 invested in Dent on the 18th of November 2017 would have returned over $278,000 in just 53 days. Now, crazy pump to the upside, but what happened after that? Crazy dump to the downside, and it took Dent 800 days to finish his dump towards Goblin Town. This is why you should be paying attention to all coins in the bear market, because when the next bull run came around, Dent returned more than a 275% pump to the upside yet again. Just $1,000 invested in Dent would have given you more than $275,000. Yet we're in another bear market. Just like it took Dent 800 days in the previous bear market, only time will tell whether it will take us 800 days in this bear market, because in this bear market right now, Dent has been dumping for around 766 days. So I'll not be shocked to see Dent bottoming out in the coming days and the coming weeks. If we see Dent bottoming out around the 800-day mark, that will see Dent bottoming out maybe, just maybe, around the 12th of June. How long do you think we'll continue dumping? Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. The market is currently red. We're starting the week on a very dumpy note. Pepe is down 14% right now. Mania is down 8%. Cake is down 10%. Bitcoin in the last 24 hours is also down 3.3%. Let's take a look at the top gainers and the top losers in the last 24 hours. In the last 24 hours, Tax has been in the gaining section, is up 4.8%. Other altcoins are stable coins that are gaining. If not, the general market is dumping to Goblin Town. SU is down 13%. SU recently just went live, but we have seen their token dumping to Goblin Town aggressively. Will SU be the ICP of this bull run we just had, this mini alt season we just had? Remember when ICP was launched? Let's take a look at Internet Computers chart. When ICP was launched in May of 2021, guess what happened, guys? We just continued dumping to Goblin Town, and it has not been able to go back to that price. ICP was launched around $500 in May of 2021. Right now, SU is currently dumping, so maybe, just maybe, SU will be the ICP of this bear market. Back to the charts. John Davis say, hey, keep up the good work. Thank you, John Davis. Mr. C, Lily V, shout out to everybody in the live stream. Don't forget to like the live stream, guys. We'll be streaming every weekday, market updates early in the morning. Losing section, we still have Immutable X, Optimism, Mina, and Loopstring. Most of the altcoins in the market are dumping to Goblin Town. If we take a look at news stories happening in the crypto world, on Cointelegraph, Pepe suddenly drops, leaves whales $500,000 in red. This is why you should be afraid of altcoins. This is why you should be afraid of meme tokens. Now let me just open the tabs of all this news. We'll go through them. Let me open the tabs for them. A lot of news stories happening in the last 24 hours. We saw a story about how to create meme coins in less than 27 seconds. Binance was closing withdrawals yesterday. Crazy stories, guys. Don't forget to follow us on all social media platforms at Mr. Legend Crypto. If you want to get latest news updates, if you want to get analysis on the go, Mr. Legend Crypto is your #1 source. Now, Pepe suddenly drops, leaves whales $500,000 in the red. A meme coin whale who purchased roughly $3 million worth of Pepe just days ago is now sitting on unrealized losses of around $600,000. Crazy, 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 crazy. A Memecoin whale who purchased roughly $3 million worth of Pepe. This is why you should be very, very careful with meme tokens, guys. Meme tokens can pump to higher prices. Meme tokens can make you rich. At the same time, meme tokens can easily start dumping to Goblin Town. We are seeing Pepe in the last 24 hours. It's already down 14%. Crazy, crazy news out there. Be careful. Bitcoin is not under attack. Bitcoin maximalists allay fears of DOS offensive. Concerns circulated on crypto Twitter of a denial of service attack on Bitcoin network. I saw this news last night. A sudden spike in Bitcoin transaction fees and unconfirmed transactions sparks concerns on crypto Twitter over the weekend of a potential denial of service attack. Crazy, crazy, crazy news in crypto every day. Binance holds Bitcoin withdrawals for the second time in 12 hours. The crypto exchange says it temporarily closes BTC withdrawals due to large volume of pending transaction. Anytime the market wants to dump, we'll always be seeing frauds like this. This might be a developing story in the coming days and the coming weeks. Anytime we want to see crazy things happening in the market, you start seeing bad news emerging slowly like this. And we saw how to create shit coins in less than 23 seconds. I saw this video trending on Twitter. Let's take a look at it. How do you create a shit coin in 27 seconds? Crazy. Guys, this is how easy it is to create meme tokens. So don't go and be falling for somebody's creating a meme token. Most times, all these meme tokens, they can easily give you quick gains. But if you don't realize those gains, you can easily lose your money. Shout out to everybody in the stream. Shout out to everybody that joined the stream. Shout out to you guys. I appreciate all your effort. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're new to the stream. Binance closes BTC withdrawal. Okay, we just went over this news. Interesting. Deloitte integrates blockchain for digital credentials. The credentials will have multiple use cases, including regulatory compliance for banking and centralized finance, age verification for e-commerce, private logins, and fundraising. The Ethereum Foundation just sold $30 million worth of Ethereum, but will Ethereum price fall this time? Guys, in the past, anytime we have seen Ethereum Foundation selling their Ethereum has always led to Ethereum dumping to Goblin Town. But will this time be different? I don't think it will be different. I think we will easily continue dumping to Goblin Town. And that was the end. Kazakhstan collected $7 million in crypto mining taxes in 2022. More countries might actually start doing this. Crypto miners paid millions of dollars in energy fees last year following the regulation of mining activities. The market is dumping to Goblin Town. More videos will be coming your way, guys. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Remember, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research, study and analyze. Sorry, let me take that again. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research, study, and analysis before making any investment decision. That was said by Benjamin Franklin. Thank you for watching this video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.